Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Electronics Virtual Laboratory tutorial. Today's practical is Ohm's law for the resistances in series. So today we will verify or simulate Ohm's law for resistance in series. So by clicking on the tab, a window will be open. On the left hand side there is a list of instructions and we have to follow these instructions for the simulation of Ohm's law for resistances in series. As we all know, there are two resistances, resistance 1 and resistance 2. The value of R1 is 1 to 100 kilo ohm and we can set the resistance R2 from 5 to 15 kilo ohm. The DC voltage range is 0 to 30 volt. So let's start the simulation of Ohm's law. There are two resistance R1 and R2. First of all, we have to set the value of these two resistances. So suppose first resistance is 30 kilo ohm and the value of R2 is 10 kilo ohm. Initially set the value of DC volt equal to 0. So the current across ammeter is 0 milliampere. Just add this value to the experimental table. Now change the value of VDC, set it to 1 volt, value of current is 0.02, add this value to the experimental table. For a smooth plot we have to take at least 8 to 10 values, so just change the value of DC volt and set all these values to the experiment table. We can take VDC from 0 to 30 volt, so we are simply changing the value of DC volt and okay. So there are 10 values, different voltages and different current. Now we will plot. So this is a graph between voltage and current for different resistances in series. Here we are using two resistances R1 and R2. So total resistance in series is 40 kilo ohm, and for a resistor of 40 kilo ohm the relation between voltage and current is linear. So it verifies Ohm's law for the resistances in series. Thank you.